You're going to love the 2018 M2. The BMW M2 Performance Coupe continues to wow drivers with its driving experience. In addition, the latest technology features are in abundance, which includes the latest upgrade in the infotainment system, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, lumbar support, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.